Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up for Gemini AI. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Google and then hit search, and then once you are displayed with the list, simply tap on the Google app and then download it. And once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is tap on open. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon and then be sure to be logged into your account. And now once you are logged into your account, go back to the home page and you can see there is a search bar and a Gemini icon. Now in order to activate it, what you need to do is simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be asked with the process to agree the terms to the Gemini condition. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on I agree, and that's basically how to use or sign up for Gemini AI. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.